Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe below.
Will be the last person to leave from this class. So please do not stay here for photos. Go down and keep your photos. Thank you.
So this is my day 2 of OC training. I shot a little bit glimpse of day 1, but hopefully I shot today. So this is my look for the day 2. And this is my room. So hey guys, it's day 4 and I'm going to BKC for my OC training. Let's go. Hi guys, it's day 8 of my
is
OC
going on.
training.
And then you have to curtail where things are going wrong. Then you have to go again to the first year to change the things. है ना? So you have to jump from 1 year to second year, second to third, third to again one. If some things go wrong in the third year, you have to again go back to the first year to make the changes. We will be learning this step by step in your apprenticeship period and hope that all those knowledge that you gain can definitely help you to build up your own project reports for your own business. And we have got great businessmen from the Chartered Accountant fraternity even on the day 1 when they become SE. Okay, so we have Mr. Dheeraj Khandelwal sir, who is looking after the startups of ICAI, where at least one person in the company, those who are presenting the company, at least one promoter should be a chartered accountant. All others can be from the different field. Okay, if it is a firm, a partnership firm, at least one partner has to be a chartered accountant. Okay, so if you have this, if you have an idea, if you have a startup, start making project reports for yourself. Start thinking about solving any problem that come across in you in the society that can become your own business in the coming few years. Maybe 4 years, 5 years, whenever you become CA. ICI is there to help you out to bring your dream into a success story. Okay? Anybody has any question? You. Anybody has any question? Something that you feel that could have been asked? Okay. B part mein, there were a lot of mistakes. Okay. This time is too short to say.
Hey guys, it's day 12 of my OC training and today I have a presentation on social awareness. So let's see how it goes.
Myself, Udina, and I will be talking about the ethical concern. The Nirav Modi scam, one of the biggest financial fraud case in India, raises the ethical concern and also highlight the systematic issues of the bank within the financial and the regulatory framework. The ethical concerns were corporate governance and the accountability. Fraud practices involving the Nirav Modi and his associates taking the unauthorized loan from the PNB Bank and issuing the fake letter of undertaking. The lack of oversight by the PNB Bank while providing the loans to the Nirav Modi was a biggest failure on their part in the internal controls and the weakness in the corporate governance. Regulatory oversight. The regulatory bodies like RBI, Reserve Bank of India, failed to detect the fraud in spite of being regular financial audit and the compliance check. Moreover, the whistleblower and the ethical concern. The weakness in the whistleblower mechanism and the fear of retaliation by the public was one of the major ethical concerns. The ethics in the business practices. The breach of the integrity and trust in the system and also in the Punjab National Bank. The impact of the stakeholders. The thousands of employees, investors and customers were brutally affected by this scam. The conclusion was the Nirav Modi scam involving the fraudulently acquisition of approximately $2 billion, which precise to be $1.77 billion, including the taking the loan from the Punjab National Bank, which give a powerful example of how there is an essential need of ethical concern in the business and the finance industry, and more concisely to the each and every industry. There is a need of a strong internal control, trust, transparency and the accountability to prevent the fraud. To regain the public interest and the trust, the businesses should follow proper ethical concern at all the levels. I like to conclude by saying that a famous saying by the Warren Buffett, it took 20 years to build a reputation and only 5 minutes to ruin it. So the learning is the ethical concerns should be followed at each level, and businesses should move towards more sustainable and the trust-based economic system. As my friend said, Pooja, you should also watch the Bad Boy Billionaires documentary for the last 3 presentations we have seen right now on the Netflix. Thank you.
गरीब लोग फैमिली पैक टूट पड़ो अच्छा इन्होंने कौन
यार मेरा अच्छा नहीं आ मैं
जल्दी हो गया बहुत फास्ट बोला थोड़ा विथ अमरीश एंड